Ambubasi festival is celebrated every year in which of the following states? It is celebrated in Assam state. It is an annual Hindu Mela which is celebrated in the temple called as Kamakya in Guwahati, Assam. Shubha Mudgal is associated with. She is associated with Hindustani classical music. She was awarded with Padma Shri in the year 2000. Amri, a Harappan site, is located in the province of. It is located in the province of Sindh. It is located to the south of Mohenjo-daro. In which year was the Battle of Buxar fought? Battle of Buxar was fought in the year 1764. It was fought between the British forces under the command of East India Company, led by Hector Munro, and combined armies of Mir Kazim and Nawab of Bengal. Who amongst the following was the successor of Sikh Guru Harikrishan? The successor of Sikh Guru Harikrishan is Guru Tegh Bahadur. Sikh Guru Harikrishan is also called as Bala Guru. With which of the following sports is Rohinton Baria Trophy is associated with? It is associated with cricket. It was being contested since the year 1935 to 36. The Holkar Stadium is situated in India in which city? It is situated in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. It was previously named as Maharani Usharaje Trust Cricket Ground. It was renamed to Holkar Stadium in the year 2010. Friends, Cracku is providing previous papers of SSC, CGL and CHSL. Please do visit our website cracku.in and download these papers for your reference and best practice. The phenomenon of light associated with the appearance of blue color in the sky is, this phenomenon is scattering. It is called as Rayleigh scattering. This phenomenon includes the scattering of electromagnetic radiations by the particles of smaller wavelengths. The study of different aspects of oceans is called as. The study of different aspects of oceans is called as oceanography. It covers a wide range of topics like ocean currents, waves and marine life and ecosystems and the movements of sediments of seafloor geology. What is the prime objective of Prime Minister Ujjwala Yojana? The prime objective of Prime Minister Ujjwala Yojana is LPG connection to BPL families. BPL is below poverty line families and it was launched in the year 2016 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Its aim is to distribute 50 million LPG connections to the women of BPL family. How many fundamental duties are currently described in Indian Constitution? There are 11 fundamental duties that are currently described in Indian Constitution. Previously, there used to be 10 and it was increased to 11 by under 86th Amendment. Who is the principal spokesman of the Lok Sabha? Speaker of the Lok Sabha is the principal spokesman of Lok Sabha. The present principal spokesman of Lok Sabha is Om Birla. Which state in India is called Land of Black Diamond? West Bengal is called as Land of Black Diamond. Asansol is the city in West Bengal. This city is called as Land of Black Diamond because of the huge, this city is considered as the heart of coal mines. It is the most populated city in West Bengal after Kolkata. Chandrapur Super Thermal Power Station is located in which state? It is located in Maharashtra state, Chandrapur district. It is one of the coal-based power plants of Mahagenco. Like Transco, Genco is for the generating of power. Transco is for transmission. Maithon Dam in Jharkhand has been constructed on which river? Maithon Dam in Jharkhand has been constructed on Barakar river. It is designed especially for the flood control. Say's law of market holds that. Say's law of market holds that supply creates its own supply. The ability to purchase something depends on the ability to produce and thereby generate the income is the theory of Say's law. Friends, Cracku is providing SSC CGL mocks for Rs 199. Please do visit our website cracku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. We are also providing 2 free mock tests. Please do take these mocks for your reference. Who are the main bearers of the burden of indirect tax? Consumers are the main bearers of the burden of indirect tax. John Locke propounded. John Locke propounded social contract theory. In which year was the World Bank formed? World Bank was formed in the year 1944. Its headquarters is in Washington, D.C. Wheat, barley, lemon, orange, rye and pearl millet belongs to. These belong to 2 plant families. The element of electric stove is made of. The element of electric stove is made of nichrome. Because it has relatively high resistance and forms an adherent layer of chromium oxide when it is heated for the first time. Expand sonar. Sonar is sound navigation and ranging. Friends, Cracku is providing SSC CGL mocks for Rs 199. Please do visit our website cracku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. We are also providing CHSL mocks for 199. Please do check these. We are providing free mock tests for both these mocks, both these exams. So please do check this. Dash mutation is not hereditary. Somatic mutation is not hereditary because they do not affect the germ line. What is the main root of plants called as? The main root of plants is called as taproot. Who designed the national flag of India? Pingali Venkaya has designed the national flag of India. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe the video, and for more queries please comment your doubt in the comment section. Thank you.